Today's project is your front differential fluid. Let's get cozy. So underneath you got your skid plate. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts to remove this bad boy. You're going to need a 12mm socket. And then your skid plate just falls right off. And as you can see, mine is filthy. So I'm going to clean that off before I put it back up. This is your drain plug. This is your fill plug. Make sure you take the fill plug off first to verify you actually are going to be able to refill it if you drain the fluid. So you're going to need a 10mm hex. This is just a giant Allen wrench. There's better options than this. You can get the socket version. Sometimes these are going to be stuck up in there. If you're using this, it's going to be really difficult. You might have to pound on this with a hammer to get it to crack loose, but if you have the socket version, it'll be a lot easier. Now the moment of truth. Let's see how gross this fluid is. Make sure you clean out your drain plug. This is actually a magnet to collect all the metal shavings, so if it gets all gunked up, it's no longer very effective. So make sure it's nice and new before you put in a new one. And also replace the washers. Now to fill, I got these easy bags that you just squeeze and the tip goes up in the fill hole up there. I'm using 75W90. It recommends 85W85, but 90 is okay for where I live. It's kind of preference on you. This is more readily available and a lot cheaper to use than the other stuff. So now just gotta wiggle your way up in there and start filling. Once it starts dripping, you know it's full.